Ever wondered how blockchain could revolutionize the future of investments? Welcome to the world of tokenization, a transformative trend that's extending blockchain's reach beyond the digital world and reshaping investment and ownership. This isn't some far-off concept, it's happening right now. 2023 has been a pivotal year, with Ethereum emerging as the go-to blockchain for tokenizing real-world assets. This year alone, we've seen an astounding $2 billion worth of assets tokenized on public blockchains, primarily on Ethereum. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the impact. Take real estate, for example, a sector valued globally at a staggering $228 trillion. Tokenization is revolutionizing this traditionally illiquid market by enabling fractional ownership and democratizing access to real estate investment. Real estate, a traditionally illiquid market, is at the forefront of this revolution. But as with any innovation, tokenization faces its share of challenges, notably navigating the complex regulatory waters. Indeed, the journey towards tokenizing real-world assets is not without its hurdles. The regulatory landscape is a maze that needs careful navigation. In the UK, the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, and the UK Jurisdiction Task Force are making headway. They're working tirelessly to create a supportive legal framework for fund tokenization and bring clarity to the status of crypto assets. It's about creating an environment where innovation can thrive without compromising investor protection or market integrity. Across the channel, the European Union is not far behind. The Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation, commonly known as MiCA, is shaping up to be a comprehensive legal framework for crypto assets and tokenization. MiCA aims to cover various token types, crypto services, and set a unified legal standard across the EU. Its implementation, slated for late 2024, will mark a significant milestone in the journey towards tokenization. So, while the regulatory landscape may seem daunting, it's also evolving. We're witnessing a concerted effort to foster an environment conducive to tokenization's growth. The goal is to strike a balance between promoting innovation and maintaining financial stability, and it's a delicate one, requiring ongoing dialogue between regulators, innovators, and stakeholders. With these initiatives, we're seeing the creation of a supportive legal framework for fund tokenization. The road ahead is exciting, and the journey is just beginning. The Federal Reserve has also offered an insightful perspective on tokenization. In a research paper titled Tokenization, Overview and Financial Stability Implications, the institution delves into the transformative potential of tokenization. The paper highlights how tokenization could open doors to markets that were previously inaccessible or cost-prohibitive. Imagine being able to purchase shares in commercial buildings or residential investments that were once out of reach. That's the level of accessibility we're talking about. The Federal Reserve also emphasizes the advantages of programmable crypto tokens and smart contracts. These technological marvels can introduce features like liquidity-saving mechanisms in settlements. Such mechanisms could drastically reduce the time and cost of transactions, making the market more efficient. The innovation of tokenization could lead to more competitive liquid markets and improved price discovery. It's clear that the academic world is recognizing the potential of tokenization in reshaping our financial landscape. Though still in its early stages, tokenization's potential to expand the crypto ecosystem is undeniable. Its innovative approach is poised to lower market entry barriers and enhance liquidity. This means it could democratize access to investments, opening doors to individuals who may have been previously excluded from these markets. Consider the landscape of projects already in motion. We see tokenization efforts spanning a variety of asset categories, from real estate and fine art to intellectual property rights and even sports franchises. Each of these initiatives underscores the adaptability and versatility of tokenization. Moreover, tokenization offers a level of transparency and security that traditional investment models can't match. This, coupled with the potential for fractional ownership, could transform the dynamics of investment, making it more inclusive, accessible, and efficient. We're signaling a future where tokenization plays a pivotal role in the digital asset ecosystem. Tokenizing real-world assets isn't just a passing fad. Its immense potential lies in its ability to revolutionize investment and ownership paradigms. By breaking down barriers to entry and increasing liquidity, tokenization opens up new avenues for individual and institutional investors alike. It's about making the inaccessible accessible, the illiquid liquid, and the complex simple. This is the power of blockchain technology, and we're only just beginning to tap into it. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the frontier of blockchain technology and its implications for our investment future.